Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering the right tools and parts so you don't stop mid-repair. Lay the chair on a protected flat surface and wear gloves. Once positioned, remove casters by pulling them straight out. Use a rubber mallet if stuck. Then separate the 5-star base from the gas cylinder. Hold the cylinder and pull down firmly, tapping the base if needed. Make sure to inspect the cylinder, base, and seat mechanism for cracks or stripped threads before moving on to replacements or tightening. Once the base and parts are separated, check the gas lift for leaks or wobble. A damaged cylinder needs replacement because it won't hold height. Remove the seat plate and clean threads, then tighten bolts evenly in a cross pattern. Use a drop of thread locker if bolts keep loosening. If casters are worn, insert new ones by pushing until they click. Ensure they rotate freely. Make sure the seat mechanism moves smoothly before reassembling the base onto the cylinder. You're ready to reassemble. Insert the gas lift into the 5-star base fully, then place the seat plate on top and secure all bolts snugly. Reinstall casters and stand the chair upright. Sit and cycle the height, test tilt and swivel, and listen for squeaks. Tighten any loose fasteners and apply lubricant to moving joints. If the chair still wobbles, swap the base or seat plate with a known good part to isolate the fault. This single diagnostic swap quickly reveals which component needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.